Okay, hello there. So you might have seen this look already because this is one of the 3 videos that I all filmed in one go. I am starting uni soon and this is the last semester of my last year of my law degree, so I'm going to be filming while I can. Today's video will be about the trends in 2017, makeup trends on the internet, on Twitter, on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere that I don't think they should die, but I just don't like them personally. It is the year 2018 and we're going into something is new. The time technically still goes on and there is no difference, and obviously the new year is just made up by humans, but it has been made up by humans for thousands of years, for millennia I would say. I don't know how long a millennium is, I think 1,000 years. So for millennia this has been a tradition of things changing in the new year and people making their New Year's resolutions, and even I have made a video on that, so if you would like to watch it you should click in the right upper corner right now. But as it is a tradition on YouTube, basically the beauty community hates each other very much. There is so much hatred in the beauty community that I inspire to not subscribe to it, but I will basically just take my own spin off this kind of idea of talking about makeup trends that the particular person making the video just doesn't like and thinks they should die. Once again, I don't think these trends should die. I don't think they will die because they are very popular and a lot of people really like them. I really just don't. So let's start with number 1. Number 1 is eyes that have cut crease every fucking where. I'm serious. It's on Instagram, it's on Twitter, it's literally everywhere. Any kind of tweet on Twitter asking for like artists like MUA submissions of their own looks, it's cut crease upon cut crease upon cut crease upon fucking cut crease. And the other kind of, in my opinion, and I've done this once, but it was this look here. This is what I'm talking about, the kind of 3 lines. And I've done this once, like I said, but it was kind of a spin on that, and this was just once. So this kind of devil brother or sister of the cut crease is this cut crease that goes all the way fucking out into your temples, and then people chase that with another like winged liner as well. And that also like moves onto and builds into the second thing that I really don't like in makeup is this really fucking defined white line, this hard, like, sharp edge of your eyebrow. This sharp edge under your eyebrow that people then define with, like, it's not even like blended shadow, it's literally they define it with like white concealer, and there's just a sharp line under your brow that could cut cheese. It could cut through cheese. So then what I was talking about just earlier from the first point is people draw this winged liner, and then they draw the cut crease that goes into their fucking temples, and then that also follows the line that they create, the artificial line that they create under their fucking brows. And I'm swearing and I'm just kind of worked up about it right now, but obviously I don't care. I think people will do whatever they think is nice. I just don't think that's nice. I don't think that looks cool. I think that looks very fake, and in my opinion it's really, and this is kind of a theme among these things, among these trends that I don't enjoy personally, is that these things only look nice on camera when you're taking a picture. And if you notice, most of these pictures are like either the eye is closed and like really on the side so that you can see all of these lines going in one direction, or the person is looking like this. And it's like a really fucking stupid, like you don't think about it because you're drawn in by the artwork, but it's really fucking stupid because the person has like semi-closed their eye so that you can see the cut crease, because otherwise you can't, because most people have hooded eyes. Most people do. In some shape or form, and if you don't have hooded eyes, people that have like really deep sockets or like really high sockets, kind of like Jeffree Star, sure, wear it. I don't know, but I don't like it myself. I have very hooded eyes, this could never work on me, and I think it just doesn't look very cute. I don't enjoy the creepy, and I call them creepy, but they're just those sped up videos of people applying, and people just doing their whole makeup, There is no music playing, there is no talking, there is no involvement with your audience. It's just this really soulless, creepy video of someone just making really weird faces when they're telling you that they're about to apply something new to their face. They're like... and they're like fucking tapping themselves on the face to show you where they're going to apply that product. But it's really fucking stupid in my opinion. And I made a note here. Yes, there's a big trend with color correcting on your face as well, and there's a lot of those sped up videos where people are color correcting their entire fucking face. It's literally just an entire dotted face of different color correcting concealers on the entire face, and the person is just like really smiling and then showing a beauty blender that then she's going to blend out the entire face with, and you're like, honey, your entire fucking face doesn't need color corrected. What are you correcting? Are you correcting your skin tone? Like, the only thing that needs correcting are some scars, maybe veins showing under the eye, maybe some discoloration around the mouth, maybe beard, if you're wanting to go feminine or if you're doing drag. That needs color correcting, not your forehead. Your forehead doesn't need color correcting. What are you doing? Seriously, I think that just looks really stupid. And the part of that is as well the people who drop their fucking foundations and like concealers and whatever the fuck in like a liquid form on their cheeks and everywhere, and it just literally, you know, slides down their face, and then they're fucking blending it with their beauty blenders on this sped up camera. I just think that's really fucking superfluous and unneeded and funny, and I make videos like these because I like to connect with the audience that's not really there right now, but I'm hoping that, you know, one day someone will start watching my videos. But that's the reason I like making these videos, is because I connect with the audience. I'm able to kind of explain it to you, and you leave some comments sometimes, blah blah blah, that kind of stuff. And I've made some of these sped up videos in the past. I think I've made 2 or 3 of them, but I just don't like them because there is no way of me telling you what I'm doing. I just end up looking stupid, fucking tapping the product with my finger to tell you that I'm about to use it next, and then tapping the area of my face that I'm going to use it on. I just think that's really fucking dumb. The other kind of type of this video is this really close-up, zoomed-in videos of people doing their lips, and they're really like over the board lips, where a lot of the time they're like drawing something on their lips, or there's like gloss on their lips that's like dripping down. I think that's artistic, and I think that takes so much skill, and I could not do that myself. It definitely takes a lot of practice, but I just don't enjoy watching them. They're always sped up, and there's usually just really intense club music going on, like club or like summertime remix electronic music over this, and I just don't enjoy watching them. Those lips, they will not last you a second. Literally the second you like smack your lips or lick your lips, the shapes are gonna go away. The gloss that's like making your lips really just melt with the color, I mean, that's going to go away the second you like touch your lips. And I don't know, I just don't see the appeal of doing that. And the last thing I think I hate or dislike, hate is a very strong word as everyone says recently, but the last thing I dislike, and I think it's the least disliked thing, considering I am low-key wearing it right now, is the spotlight eyes. Now the reason I'm saying low-key wearing it right now for myself is because the spotlight usually goes with, the blend is kind of central, and obviously my blend is outward, and then you've got the dark in the inner corner and the outer corner surrounding the lighter shade on the lid, and then it also is repeated on the lower lash. So then you've got black here, and then, you know, the lighter shade in the middle of the lower lash. And I don't have a reason as to why I dislike it. I just don't like the look of it. I feel like people who do that look... The purpose of that look is to look... as with most makeup, is to look good or cute or glamorous, whatever. But I feel like with most people, you look sick. I don't know why the spotlight makes me think that you're ill. or that you have a cold. I don't know why that is. Now, I do like makeup that makes you look like you have a cold, that makes you look sick. Just play with red, pink eyeshadow and highlight, and that makes you look like you have the cold. Obviously, you don't. But that's intentional. And the spotlight eye somehow makes me think that the person wearing it is somehow sick. I don't know why. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my take on the beauty community trends on YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter that I personally dislike. I don't think they should end. I don't think they will end in 2018 because they are very popular. I just don't subscribe to them myself. So let me know down in the comments below. Do you like these trends? Do you subscribe to them yourself? Or do you dislike them just like I do? Please tell me, and tell me why. I'm going to remind you once again that subscription to my channel is totally optional, so I might see you in my next video. Bye!